So one of the most frequently asked questions that I get from the real estate agents is, if I were to start in this business again, what lead source would I pick? And my response, hands down, has got to be open houses. Name me any other lead source out there where the expense is minimal, right? And you have the opportunity to get in front of the potential buyers and sellers 7 days a week. I don't believe there's any out there, to be honest with you. I remember one of my first open houses like it was yesterday. It was not my listing. I did not own the signs. I had to borrow the signs from the listing agent. The house was on the market for about 70 days. Vacant home, needed some work. A couple walked in, Doug and Sarah. Come to find out, they were looking to downsize. I was able to list their house. They purchased a home with me. The buyers of their house also listed a house with me. They purchased a rental, and then they referred a bunch of business in addition to that. So one open house that I held for 3 hours generated 5 seller leads, actually 5 listings, 5 home purchases, 10 transactions in total, over $100,000 in gross commission income, right? And there are a couple other stories that are similar to this that I would love to share with you guys in this particular workshop. Hey guys, my name is Alan Kushmakov and I'm with Best Homes Real Estate, and I wanted to invite you to this must-attend open house business building workshop, where I'm going to be teaching guys on how you can generate anywhere between 5 to 10 seller leads from one single open house. Not multiple open houses, one single open houses. I'm also going to show you how you can increase your open house signups significantly, right? And then how you can convert those signups into the buyer as well as seller appointments. There are 9 key steps that I'll be sharing with you guys at this open house. I listed them here. The major topics that we're going to discuss is picking the right house. Not every open house is created equal. Neighborhood exclusive open house versus traditional open house. For us, neighborhood exclusive open houses are game changers. We've been doing it for the last 2.5, 3 years, and we get a lot of seller leads from those. Preparation meets opportunity. Unfortunately, a lot of times, we as agents, we kind of do things on a whim at the last minute when it comes to the open houses. This is not the case. I will share with you the preparation process and the checklists that come with it, such as full blast advertising checklist, our marketing collateral checklist, scripts and objections. That's major, right? You get somebody in an open house, how many times you get this objection? Oh, I'm just looking, or I have an agent, right? Well, I'm going to share with you the scripts and, more importantly, the objection handlers on how you can handle these particular objections, right? 90% signups, all right? And we're not talking about a registration sheets here, guys. We're not talking about, hey, you must sign because the seller requires it. No, we're talking about voluntary signups that our agents get, that I get, and that's up to 90%. It's huge, all right? Follow-up sequence. What do you do with those signups? What do you do with those leads afterwards, right? There's a sequence, there's a process in place. I will share that process with you. And then the ultimate leverage of listing their house, right, and generating more business. So as you can see, it's a lot of information that you can apply in your business. This is not based on philosophy. This is not based on theory. This is based from my experience holding open houses and from my agent's experience holding these open houses. Okay, guys? So if you're interested, if you feel like this is something that you can use and apply in your business, register below or on top. I'm not sure where the link is. And I definitely would love to see you guys attend one of these workshops, and hopefully it's going to increase your production, your business, and grow it to the next level. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.